Every week, thousands of people climb this hill in Medellín, Colombia. It's called Cerro de Tres Cruces, the Hill of Three Crosses. But very few know the story behind the stairs. Every step you take here was built by someone. His name is Don Fabio, and some locals call him the King of the Stairs. Medellín is a city built on legends, people who built their lives step by step. Tres Cruces is one of those places where those stories come together. It's inside the city. But once you start climbing, you get nature, and then a view of the entire valley. The city spreads out below, the airport in the distance.
Una vez más en el cerro, gracias a Dios. No, ya llegamos al cerro de las Tres Cruces. Gloria a Dios. ¿Cuántas veces? No sabemos. Pero en todo caso aquí estamos. Gloria a Dios. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, Dios. Mami, ¿cómo está?
I've been coming here since 2017. It's a place where people meet, where friendships form, where goals are tested, where people come to push themselves. The hike is short, but the incline is steady. Just like the hill itself, Medellín sits in a valley surrounded by mountains, and it has always required effort to get anywhere here. The city gave me a new life. I'm a foreigner who chose to build something here. But this story isn't about me. It's about what it means to leave one place and make a home in another. Medellín is a city of dreams, a city built by people who came looking for hope. Many were pushed from their territories during the violence in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. They came to these hills to escape violence and to start again. This is Don Fabio. To me, he's a legend. Not because he talks about it, but because he lives it. For more than 13 years, he's been carving and maintaining the path up Tres Cruces. These stairs aren't concrete, they're shaped into the earth. When the rain comes, parts of them disappear. And when that happens, he rebuilds them, again and again. He wasn't hired by the city. He wasn't assigned this job. He saw a need, and he committed to it. He works only from the voluntary contributions from the people who hike this hill. No salary, just purpose. His passion is simple, to serve the people and make Tres Cruces a safe place to climb. I don't know if this hike would be what it is today without Don Fabio. He had a vision. He created the path, he maintained it, and slowly, more people came. But Don Fabio's story didn't begin here. He left his hometown of Cerro in the late 1990s during Colombia's violence. He refused to fight for the guerrilla, the army, or anyone else. Because of that, he was threatened. So one day he had to leave very quickly. He didn't have time to pack much. The only thing of value he brought with him was his mother's sewing machine. It was the same machine she had used for years to make clothes for him and his family when he was growing up. That was all he carried with him when he began his new life. Years later, he found this hill, and he stayed. Every morning he climbs the entire hill. Then he walks back down to the section where he'll work that day. For a man that turned 80 this year, that alone is a statement. Some people come here just to hike, but this path carries stories. It carries the footsteps of people who are building their lives one step at a time. For me, Don Fabio is a legend. Not only because of his story or the resilience it took to survive it, but because of the consistency he shows every single day. He shows up when it's hot. He shows up after the rain has come down heavy. And after the rain washes part of the stairs away, he rebuilds them again and again. In many ways, that's a metaphor for life. And every time you see him, he's cordial, friendly, with a great energy that sets the tone for this hill. He shows respect for the place and for the people who climb it. His vest says simply, "Su propina es voluntaria." Your tip is voluntary. He lives a simple life, but he has made a powerful statement. One the younger generations can learn from. Carve your own path, stay persistent, show up every day, and that's what builds character. And that's what builds legends. And that's why, for me, he's the king of the stairs. I remember coming here over 8 years ago, climbing this hill with dreams of starting my own brand. This place gave me inspiration. And because of Don Fabio, this place exists the way it does today. And that's why Don Fabio is one of the legends of Medellín. My name is Rob LaFond, an audiovisual producer based out of Medellín, Colombia. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more epic adventures. See you in the next one.